Okay, we're going to finalize the company information setup now by going to File, Setup, Company Information, and onward to the Security tab. Here is where MyVision Express handles security based upon user groups. 6 security groups are predefined in the application: Administrator, Billing, Doctors, Lab, Opticians, and Reception. On the Security tab, you can define the level of access members of each group have to different areas of the program. Select the group that you would like to adjust from the Security Group drop-down box. Then below, expand the desired screen or module listed under Description. The screen or module will display a list of buttons, tabs, fields, and dependent screens. Select the desired status from the Status drop-down box. Enabled means that members of the security group that you are editing will have access to the feature selected. Disabled feature will be visible to members of the security group at runtime, but it will be disabled or grayed out so that they do not have access to it. And an invisible feature is not available or even visible to the members of the group. Make sure that at least one security group with one active member has the company information feature screen enabled. Otherwise, you would lock out every user out of this screen and would need to contact MyVision Express support to re-enable access to it. It is recommended that you keep every feature enabled for the administrator security group. Once you have the setup, the level of access for your security groups, you should assign each of your users, employees, to a security group. For more information, refer to the Employees section in the chapter in the manual. Enter the number of seconds in the auto log off for MVE field that the application is allowed to remain idle before automatically logging off. The purpose of this feature is to prevent unauthorized use. The default is 86,400 seconds, which is the equivalent to 1 day. But you may want to lower this value to just a few minutes if you have a lot of foot traffic around your computer terminals. Lastly, you can click the Custom button to allow different user groups to enable or disable specific security features. You must be logged in as an administrator in order to use the Custom Security feature. Click the Custom button. On the Enable Disable Features screen, select the features you wish to modify and click OK. The following screen will ask you if you want to update all security groups. Answer yes if you want to save the changes for all security groups, and answer no if you want to specify which security groups will be affected by the changes. In order to save the changes, log out and then log in again. And lastly is the VSP tab. This tab allows you to view the pricing information that your office negotiated with VSP for insurance transactions. You can also click News to read news updates from Eyefinity VSP, or the Go to Eyefinity image to open your default browser and navigate to the Eyefinity website. Note, click the Save and Close icons on the toolbar after you are done making changes to the company information screen. By saving, clicking on the Save button, any change to the settings on this screen will take effect after you restart MyVision Express. And that concludes our our training video here for company information and setup. Thank you for watching.